So if you're loving this bob so much like I am, make sure that you check out the video that I reviewed. I'll leave it up above. Yes ma'am. So let's go ahead and jump into the actual star of the video. This is another Amazon wig that I received. So it is a full top wig, and it does have a skin top closure. And then it doesn't have any combs, which I didn't like, but it does have your adjustable straps, so you know it's not going anywhere. And you may need to use bobby pins or additional pins to secure it. So let's go ahead and take this puppy off and throw the other wig on. Everything about this wig was great except for the shedding. Like, the shedding was like not okay. Like, it was shedding so bad, like I don't even know. Like, I know it's synthetic wig, but after the initial, you know, unboxing, uncomb, you know, when you run your fingers through it after you get it out the box, it was like shedding, girl. But, you know, it is what it is. The hair is super soft. Don't mind me, it was all in my lip gloss. The hair is super soft. The ringlets were like, you know, super cute. It is kind of, I want to say a 1B color because it's not jet black. But let me get started on the shedding. Like, the shedding, sis, was like so ridiculous. I was pulling out hair every 5 minutes. Like, it wasn't worth it. Then I went ahead and put in my infamous powder. You guys know I always use this powder in my lace fronts. And just make sure that that color kind of matches my skin tone, because I'm not a white woman, so yeah. So the bangs come kind of like sparse looking-y. They're not like a full bang, which I absolutely love, so you can show off your perfectly arched eyebrows. Like, yes, honey. And altogether, I would say this unit was like 20 inches, 22 inches. So I did get this wig from Amazon company. I don't remember the name. I'm so sorry, but I'll leave the link down below on where you can purchase. And it is about $30. It does retail for about $30, and it was Amazon Prime. So make sure you guys check this one out. And if you haven't done so already, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button. And thank you so much for getting this far in my videos. I really appreciate it. Let me know if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns. And as always, thanks for watching.